Welcome back to Biology Based Ramanthi. Today we are going to learn about the eukaryotic cell. Under that, today's topic is the vacuole. So before going to topic, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. So let us go into the topic. So for the first time, the contractile vacuole was identified or observed by Spallanzani in the protozoan in the year 1776. So these vacuoles are nothing but the membrane bonded cell organelles which are completely filled with a water maybe or otherwise organic substance or inorganic substance, and some of the enzymes are also may be present inside the vacuole. So these vacuoles are present both in plant cell as well as animal cell. When in coming for the animal cell, if at all the vacuoles are present, they are small in size and fewer in number. So when compared in the plant cell, they may be single, 2 or 2, 3 which are permanent vacuoles. If a single vacuole is present inside the cell, so it occupies the central part of the cell and pushes all the cell organelles to a side. So that is called as the central vacuole. So that is nothing but complete center part. It occupies up to 90% of the cell space is occupied by the central vacuole. So such condition we call it as the central vacuole. So these vacuoles are bounded by a membrane. So that membrane is nothing but a semi-permeable membrane. So semi-permeable membrane is nothing but it only allows the selected molecules or ions inside the cell. So that is called as tonoplast membrane. That is called as tonoplast membrane. So this membrane mainly helps in maintaining the composition of the vacuolar fluid. So it helps in the composition of vacuolar fluid. That is nothing but inside the vacuole whatever fluid is present, it is maintained by the vacuolar fluid, and that part is called as the cell sap. So cell sap is different when compared with the cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is present inside the cell and cell sap is present inside the vacuole. Okay, so different. So coming for the composition of the cell sap, it differs in different types of cell. The cell sap of this central vacuole, it acts as a storehouse of many ions or various ions, and thus it is hypertonic to the cytoplasm. So it is a hypertonic to the cytoplasm. So various vacuoles, other vacuoles are also stores some of the excretory products. It may store some of the protein, organic material like proteins it may store, or some pigments for giving attractive colors for the petals. So all these are present inside the cell sap. So coming for the types of vacuoles. So mainly we can say three types of vacuoles are present. One is contractile vacuole, another one is central vacuole, and another one is a food vacuole. So coming for this contractile vacuole. So contractile vacuole is nothing but pumps the water out of the protist cell to maintain the suitable concentration. That is nothing but it balances the water. For example, it regulates complete the quantity of water inside the cell and the outside the cell. So it will maintain or balance the water concentration with the help of the osmosis technique. So that is called as the contractile, or it is a function of the vacuole. Coming for the central vacuole, so it maintains the plant shape, or central vacuole helps to maintain the plant shape and structure of the plant by storing the water. Coming for the food vacuole, it stores the food sources for the cells. So it is called as the food vacuole. Next, coming for the functions of the vacuole. First one, storage. It may stores the organic substance, inorganic substance. And coming for the turgor pressure, it does the turgor pressure. That means it is nothing but if at all the water enters the cell by osmosis, the vacuole swells and pushes towards the cell wall. That means it maintains the osmotic balance. Osmoregulation is taken place. The plant cell or with the help of the vacuole, the osmoregulation takes place. So that pressure we call it as the temperature pressure. Next, coming for the another function, endocytosis and exocytosis. Endocytosis is nothing but capturing of substance from outside the cell. So it regulates, that means it whatever the foreign substance has entered into it, so it engulfs completely inside the body. So exocytosis is nothing but the vesicle of using with a plasma membrane and release out the content. So endocytosis is taken place inside the cell, exocytosis takes place outside the cell. So other, it may do other storage functions also, like pigment, as I said, it can store the pigment for the giving coloration for the petals. So coming for the some examples, like in freshwater unicellular forms like paramecium, excretion and osmoregulation is taken place by the help of the contractile vacuole, and this vacuole maintain the complete main function is complete turgidity of the cell. So this is about the vacuole. If you have like my topic, please do like, share and subscribe to my topic. Thank you for this session.